Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this awesome little piece of equipment here. This is a pots and pan holder. So I live in a really old house and our cabinets are really deep and tall and just a lot of wasted space. So this was really helpful to have because it helps make that space more usable for us. So I love it. It fits my pots and pans really nicely. They slide right in and they don't slide around or fall out, which is great. I like that it is also this classic like chrome color. It looks nice when it's in the cabinet and everything is all beautiful. So I like also that it's adjustable. You can move these pieces up and down if you want to or need to, and it'll kind of adjust to whatever pots or pans that you have. So definitely a great piece of material. You can put it on its side, up and down, whatever you want to do. Check it out. It's great. And that is my point of view.